Today we are on a little field expedition to Miguel's village, where he come from. So I'm together with his brothers and his mother, and we have to get to this village by canoe. So we are now sailing here among all the mangroves, and from what I've been told, there are crocodiles in the water, so we hope to keep underwater and not get in it. We parked the canoes and are now going through the water to inside the jungle where the village is lying.
Ya hemos dejado tu cocina, tu casa abierta. Okay.
A lot of trees are being cut down here and burned. Why is that?
Aquí hola a todos. Bueno, aquí estamos en una finca de gran extensión, como lo podéis ver, donde se plantará muchísimas cosas. Nuestros familiares de este lugar tienen. Es el plan.
Vale.
Okay.
Gracias. A lot of the deforestation that happens both in Africa and other places, South America for instance, it's because farmers want to make room for conventional farming. So what I hope we can do is to maybe teach them some different methods of planting crops inside the forest, agroforestry. And I think if we can prove to local farmers that that they can make a higher yield, a higher profit from cooperating with the forest rather than cutting it down and burning it down. Then we can both save the trees, which is the lungs of the earth, and also improve their income. So I'm looking into doing some projects related to that.